ITOUCH Conductive Gel. Dedicated to extending the life of electrode pads. How to use. Spray a small amount onto the electrode pad. Spread the gel evenly across the pad. Place it on a transparent base and let it sit for 2 minutes. Make sure the cleaned area is dry before proceeding. Connect the TENS device and electrode pads. Attach the pads to your desired area firmly. Now, turn on your TENS device and enjoy a massage. Gently remove, clean, and store in a cool place for next time.